guys, it's me again, Portia here at Shoes of Hollywood, and today we're going to be doing a review on a shoe which is a single sole with a 6-inch heel. So I'm going to show you. And it comes in a little protective bag again. So here it is. Nice padding on the bottom to protect them when they're in your luggage. And a nice little Ziploc bag here. They both come in protective baggies. So I'll take them out and I'll show you. So there's been a lot of you asking to buy single sole shoes, so that's why today we're going to be doing something a little bit differently. So here they are, they're gorgeous. Beautiful red heel here. Nice simple sole, beautiful detailing on the front, a cute little ankle strap. So I personally prefer the platform shoes. They're a lot easier to walk in. And although these look beautiful on, they are very uncomfortable to be walking in all day. So there we go. So we'll pop them on, shall we? So as you can see, they do have a really steep angle on that ankle. So just take our time hopping into them. There we go. Little ankle strap goes in there. Through the hole. Beauty of having fingernails. There we go. Move it around a bit, make sure you're nice and secure. Now we'll pop the other one on. So like I said, it's a little bit of getting into, just due to the angle that your foot is. An ankle strap through the buckle. There we go. Almost want to go in. Wonderful. So we'll just move them about, make sure they feel nice and secure, and I'll feed it in there. Like I said, it is going to feel a little bit different, and I wouldn't recommend these for anyone who are first time heeled try-oners, just because they are a work of art. So they look beautiful on, but without that platform it is going to be difficult to be walking in them, but you will look really good. So let's have a walk. So very different to walk in. Beautiful for a job interview. So I'll show you a side on angle. Really pretty shoe. So these are shoes that you don't want to be wearing for too long, but they are a statement of art. Okay, we're going to go have a walk outside. So follow me. And out we go. Ooh, it's hot out here. Okay, so we're going to go for a little walk just across here, and we're going to come back. So just minding the steps here. And it's very sunny today. So these are a lot more challenging for me than the Infinities. Find it a lot easier to walk in platforms. I'm not used to the angle on my ankle here. So there you have it, a single sole 6-inch shoe that you've been asking for, which you've been wanting to buy, a single sole. They'd be lovely for a job interview, not something you want to wear all day, that's for sure. Or if you're going for a nice evening dinner, where you can wear these comfy things sitting down. So there they are. Put them back in their box now. Interview's done. There we are, beautiful single sole shoes, 6-inch heels. Thanks for watching, bye for now.